bonjour, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a strawberry bark. Now I saw this recipe on Instagram and all they did was they took a bar of chocolate, they just opened up the foil and they melted the bar first in hot water, opened the foil, they just chucked in fresh strawberries that had been chopped, flattened it out and chucked it in the freezer and then chopped it up. So I thought that was super simple. However, I'm not doing that. I'm doing it the more traditional way. I've melted chocolate myself. So I've got some melted chocolate here. I've got some fresh strawberries that I've washed, dried and chopped. I'm just going to add them to my chocolate. And then I'm just going to mix it all up together. And I'm going to spread that on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper and freeze it. And then I'll chop it into bark. So either or is very simple recipe. The way they did it just looks super simple, but I don't often buy the chocolate in a little block like that to freeze. It's usually bigger and it's not in a foil packet. It's usually in a bar. So that's why I didn't do it. So I thought this one would be just as easy. So I'm just popping it on my tray. I'm going to spread it out. So you want it flat. And like any almond bark, you can put anything in it. You could even use frozen strawberries. You can throw in some apricots, some nuts. But this is just plain strawberry bark, and I'm using the fresh strawberries. I always add a little bit of oil into my chocolate. It makes it nice and shiny. And that's it. All right, so I'm going to pop this in the freezer and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like and we'll cut it up into pieces. Okay, so I'm back. It's frozen. I'm going to put it on a chopping board. I'm just going to slice it. And I would keep it in the freezer because I think it's really nice when strawberries are frozen. They've got a really nice taste to them. Perfect. And there you have it. Cut them as big or small as you want. Strawberry chocolate bark. Enjoy.